Hi there guys, today is July the 8th, Tuesday, 3 p.m. and I'm on the beach at Monte Gordo and I thought I'd take a walk all along the boardwalk and check the restaurants out. So come and join me guys. So we're starting off at the western end of the boardwalk and we're right by the harbour. Well, it's not really a harbour because they don't have one, but this is where they park the boats each day when they go after they've been fishing. And I'll show you in one sec. The tractor in the background there is a couple of them. They actually drag each and every boat to and from the water because there's no harbour here. And right opposite, you've got a lovely little Portuguese restaurant, very busy. Fish smells beautiful there. So there's one tractor, there's another one there, and in the background is all the fishing huts where they prepare all the nets when they're ready to go fishing. And then we've got Snack Bar Rui. A lot of the fishermen do come and have a drink here, and there's some characters in there, I tell you. Normally I have plenty of music on but can't hear much at the moment. It's a really nice bar that. The wine's very cheap. You get a rather large glass for about €2, and I mean large glass. Then all along this boardwalk for maybe 1.5 kilometres there's loads of beach bars. I don't know how busy it'll be with it being not a very nice day today. I think it's the first time I've seen a grey clouded sky in July. Look at that. So the rooftop bar is open 12 till 3, 12 or 11 I should say. Not many at all. Check the beach out. All the sunbeds are out, but no one's on them. That's a shame. Next bar we come to Mushama. There's a few people in there. There's a couple of people renting out the double beds there, but you're not going to need shade today. And the next bar we come to is Donabella, also with a lovely rooftop. Looks like it's closed. Yeah, it certainly is. Oh, the next one, 100 Montaditos. Yeah, there is a chain of those. We've got one in Oliao. It's always busy. It's a tapas bar. Next bar is Quicker Bistro Beach Bar. I think there's a chain of them as well. I think there's one of those in Albufeira. And in the background there you've got the big wheel. Looks pretty busy, Quicker. Sushi and snacks. Never actually been in there. Let's have a quick nosy in there. Oh, there's English breakfast. That looks quite nice. Nicely laid out. Well, the drinks look nice. Fresh orange, watermelon, very nice strawberries. Not too sure what this one's called, but there's quite a few in it. Making me thirsty. Making me thirsty drinking that. There's actually no name on that. There's plenty of people up on the roof terrace. There's quite a few people in this one. Can't see the name though again. I get it now. Biasaboras. We have been and had a couple of meals along here. One was Marcel Gardi, which I'll point out to you in a bit. This is restaurant Paraiso. There's a few people in there. Taberna Motor. Oh, it's such a shame the weather's not nice today. All these restaurants are waiting on the hordes of people that are normally here in July. The beach buggy down there. Restaurant U Cruzeiro. There's a few people in there. Yeah, normally all them windows would be open when it's a lovely day. Next one is Hell Bar. Another one that's closed. Picked a right day to come here, haven't I? Now normally, when I've been in July, and it's a few years since I have been in July, this is chocker, this place. See what we've got next. Restaurant A Barraquinha. This is quite busy. Very busy. Can't really see the size of the portions. That also has rooftop terrace. That big yellow hotel in the background there. If you do like these walking tours, guys, and you've not yet subscribed, then hit that subscribe button. It'll really help us out, help our channel grow. Next one is at restaurant Agostinos. Seems to be more people this end for some reason. A few people on the beach and plenty of people on the sunbeds there. Yeah, this one's open. Quite a few people on the sunbeds. We're right opposite this restaurant. Looks like there's quite a few people in there as well. There is. Making me hungry and thirsty. They do specials of the day. Dorada, $23.50. I'll check it out now. We've got caldeirada de pesca de marisco. It's like fish soup, that, with salmon, prawns and monkfish in it. $22.50. If that's for 2 people, then that's not bad. They do a mixed meat, $16.50. Got lamb chops, quite expensive, $28.50. And they also do snacks and toasters, starting from €6 up to $10.50. I have fish of the day at this place. No prices. Sardines, dorado, robalo, linguada, anchova. Restaurant Snack Bar Barça Alegra. Plenty of people in there. Yeah, they do dish of the day, 12 till 3. I couldn't see the price. It was a little bit far away, the board. Yes, this boardwalk goes on for about 1.5 to 2 kilometres. And the last restaurant that we'll come to is one of our favourites, which we'll tell you about when we get to it. This is the beach bar that I told you about, the Prime Beach Bar. Now I've just been waffling on for about 5 minutes and realised I didn't have my camera turned on, so I'll have to do a rerun. The food in here is really nice. I'll see if I can pop in. We had, I think it was called octopus assordu. Here's a quick look inside, guys. Food in there is amazing. It's got a lovely rooftop terrace. If you'd like to see the quality of food, check our channel out. We've got a vlog on it. I think we did it, or not November just gone, the November before. So it was quite a while ago. And this area in the mornings, they normally have yoga classes. It's a little bit of a viewing point here. So I'll leave you with the final view of the Prime Beach Bar, which is a beautiful rooftop terrace. Sorry I couldn't do anything about the weather today, guys. It's been a shocker. Well, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.